Hello, my name is Truong, and I'm a dietetic intern at Texas Health Presbyterian, Dallas. We're celebrating National Soy Food Month here in April by making Tofu Jambalaya. Tofu is an excellent source of complete protein and is a good alternative for meats and recipes. As a high nutrient-dense food, it provides vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins, copper, magnesium, and calcium. So let's get started. First, we're going to saute the veggies. You're going to use 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 of an onion chopped, 2 stalks of celery chopped, a whole bell pepper chopped, and then lastly, you're going to use 3 cloves of garlic chopped as well. And then just saute the veggies until they're nice and soft. Alright, we're going to add 1 whole cup of brown rice uncooked, and then the 128-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I like to buy the fiery hot ones because I like spicy. So we're actually going to use 3 cups of vegetable broth. I added the 3rd cup later on when I noticed the rice wasn't quite cooked yet at around 30 minutes. Alright, and we're going to add 1 cup of tomato juice. Alright, so now we're just going to do our seasoning. I added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, another teaspoon of red chili pepper flakes, and then 2 teaspoons of chili powder. So now we're just going to gently stir in the tofu. I like to buy the extra firm just so it keeps its shape while it's cooking. Simmer on low heat for 40 to 50 minutes, stir in 10-minute intervals, and add some thyme on top. And alright you guys, that's how you make tofu jambalaya. I'm gonna dig in now.